Stop killing our brothers and police brutality. Say answers, answers, answers. Save the life of innocent people. Ooh, answers. Ooh, oh, stop killing our brothers. Stop killing innocent people. Answers, answers, answers. So end police brutality. Oh, answers, answers, answers. Stop killing our brothers. Stop killing innocent citizens. Answers, oh, answers, answers. And police brutality. Oh,
I said, my boy, my baby. Look at promise me what they are for me. It's most young. I have for 11 promise or large. I'm going to expire. Oh, my God, damn it. What's the great move? I was very more in it. They want to tell me.
So the color of water.
What color? Oh, oh, I know, no, they will like how to
worry. I promise you.
Oh, sure. I only did Brazil, I am away. What the Latino,
The color of
young Ted, don't
baby here, no, only me, what a virgin.
don't know, 130,000. What the body any woman that will enjoy. Really? Oh yeah, what am I doing now?
I my day juvenile, I know why you're for.
We are there now. Why?
You might be true around the area now. What am I doing now?
Oh, na ye gbona gbe so seven or school. Umu eche ne kita ore nya umu eru mu yun.
The dressing one on mommy ne rubber.
No sir. We kata mo ewe ima like even on se when ya mu egbe. Wona mi tete abe ya obo we.
We men when na me when na. We men na me when.
Ne dia ro isi de tutu ni ya gbele ma wa la o.
Worry, what they say. Mama, this is girl.
Okay. Mama, here.
Mama, later.
Oh.
Hello. Okay, I'm waiting here. I'm on your baby. Hello, baby. My baby. Wow. My baby. You mean they get money?
They not get money. They never show.
They don't.
They never.
Money to you go wrong. Asakwa. You go wrong. Money to. Sayome. Oh.
Ladies first.
I don't like it, baby. Why any?
What can you go? Money is meant to be spent. I said money is meant to be spent. I'm hearing that they place the number.
Nala, go away. I for 12 lads and then.
He gets my. This one is dead. This one is best. This one is best.
Or
12 Pro Max, 12 take up. Worry.
Jesus.
Answer!
Very good. Hey, so this is what you guys do, right? Now, take it easy. Will you give him a shot? Officer. Sit down. Allow me to talk. Which kind of if there's no calmness, you force to do something. Hold on. Hey, hold on. This is what you guys do, right? After defrauding people, you carry on this cash channels.
Don't call my wife. She's my wife. What do we do? For crying out loud, I'll give her my shena. Keep quiet.
Sit down.
Sit down. You know it's strong. This is wrong.
Okay.
Every time.
This is not done.
Boss, let me know. Are you not me where I'm giving you information?
And I tell you,
you know, say me not like you now.
I can't man of him. What it is, make you get it. Beg
A map of what we want.
or good. Now,
You don't call up.
give me this laptop.
Which laptop?
Which one?
Come. You better tell this guy to shut up.
Officer.
Well, I said you don't say
Oh my
Who
God.
give one? When I say I'm going to want.
who wanted the iPhone? Who want to calm down?
Okay.
Make the iPhone way.
You're the operator. Now, I do what is this?
What is that?
I'm the one of
You, bro.
Well, I don't have anything to say. All of you, we are going to be safe. Do business, right? Now let me tell you, 3 million or no deal.
3 million.
Will you keep quiet?
Officer. You are the when you are for you, do you know how we got you guys here, my friend? If you are not ready, we don't have any problem with you. Yes.
Go to the
Officer, calm down. I can't okay, do you know what? I'll make it 1 million. Calm down. I'll make it 1 million. Ras, we are email. See, I'll make it 1 million. That's the only good about our account. So
Okay, your account. What happened to this man? What happened to him?
I said,
3 million or no deal. Final. I don't care.
Honestly.
I'm not coming.
Officer. Sikeme.
Who is imagine me?
I'm not coming anyway. Sikeme. You may hear me where you was saying now.
Don't touch me, my friend. Don't touch me. So you want to disarm me?
No. I can't disarm you. Officer, I'll make you 1.5. I'll make you 1.5. So now we'll 1 million money. Now I'll make you 1.5.
500. Why visit the
Well,
small?
I want to be listen. I want to be very considerate. Oh yeah, when you know
We are email.
So 2.
Fair money.
Okay. Okay, I can't remember where.
Huh?
Where's my phone?
Transfer it now.
Now,
Officer,
the police have your.
Yeah, what's on that?
you don't do. Boy, you don't read.
We gotta go aboard that. You will not buy. That's the video.
Officer, we are here. Oh, the bank
Yeah,
in
but
Ulo.
that's not behind you.
The bank in Ulo, officer.
Am I talking like? Hello.
The account number.
Then look up one year,
You don't want to feel it. You understand? If I can do one, I'm not going to Boss, understand and hear you now. And you don't know.
Yeah, that's the name.
Understand and hear you.
I'm looking at their last.
Cool business.
my friend is soft today. How about you know, in front, you know, why you're not in front?
In my email alert, I'm waiting for alert.
Yeah, I'm debiting.
I have this too. You have dropped on
My friend, let me tell you something. Give him the laptop. Give him the laptop.
Officer will be friends to one.
I want to let you know something. I'm a very gentleman.
You know what I
We gonna.
So that's it. But
You know.
I think you know my friend, will you keep quiet? Sit down. Stop this nonsense.
Nonsense. You want to suspect away on man or command information here. Because you might understand it. Exactly. This very set of people all be active and not there now. So I'm suspecting something.
Yes.
So clearly here is the suspect. Another way the password. Clearly is the suspect. 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 The suspect. Suspect. Either you or me or you, everybody here is a suspect.
And what concern you know iPhone 11, 12, I pray. I'm the 2 million in the police. Everybody there protect them. Amen.
And what money may want me a time of? Me want me a time, you know. Ben me never remember it is safe. In my fair. I was saying, Mamma,
My friend. Oh yeah. What is I'm not coming. An officer of the law. Yeah, I know. I'm not coming.
Your officer is not my business.
And we are the one protecting your life here. Where business you are, Abi? You phone with me.
My phone?
Yeah, when you check your phone.
This is my privacy now. Whoever beg officer. A phone now, privacy man. So everybody don't know what search.
Hey, who come on the boat? Why you go get on now? Who will you make that you have to go as an officer?
But I bought it with my money. What you want to stop the girl?
We are done. Let me go tonight.
That's not your business. So, man, you don't know you when you know. Everybody phone when you search.
That's good. So, Yahoo, what now, Magualo?
I don't.
My friend, if you are going.
Because you are an officer of the law, you are federal citizen.
Okay. Okay. If you want me to respect you, then respect yourself. Let me have your phone.
Officer, I don't have business with you. The phone, man, this is my privacy. Everybody know it.
What you want to do? That the end of the way officer go up on the dog. Where are my new Abi?
Officer,
you can't go. People are going.
Officer,
my friend, go back there. I'm talking to you. Stand here. What's your problem? People are going. What other way?
Officer, no, what time you do that?
Who are you? Officer, are you crazy?
If I'm crazy.
Yes. Now, officer. I don't want to go. Idiot. Why now she's my father? I'm robber. Look at you.
Esse robber.
Jesus,
E eu quero saber o que
é o que chama.
Ah, não sai de alguma coisa. Não, bom, você é. E agora, não.
Hello? Yeah, come with the bus. I'm robber. Come with the bus. Yes. I have got him down. Yes. Madam. It's okay. Get up now. But I said get up.
We are kidding. What's wrong?
No, any boy, Marty PC. Not a coa. It's as what will do. Harry Here. What's on you? Onamuzia. No more for Renya one more baby. I will watch any you do. Of only a
He must have committed the crime.
Then we are tonight. Then I come out and call an ometic committed crime.
Igbema will no mutia, or mamutia, and you're not gone head down.
Daniel, I will not go. And you're not going head down.
But do you know the meaning of SARS? Special Anti-Robbery Squad.
Only must they come. Only must they come. There is your more. Make way, maybe why I be more. Whatever more. Only you say what I've been. You are to get it done.
Listen, they don't have pity. That is why Special Anti-Robbery Squad was created. As an OC SARS, I will investigate. I will investigate. I'm capable of the job. Oh, sisters. Don't make me narry. Immaterial by is a guess so one. You come away in the office. You go to table while when the yali back, and
officer. Me wa wo he sa wa mi sa le guys na Now, what do I do in the office?
Come on, sit down. Where okay, ya room me tell you. You know you have van mun we go more leader group na give my team. I go say you drop. You know you are here. That's the spirit, my brother. That's the spirit.
Very office.
The go office. Guys, you are dropping. On the problem, we'll drop you. Those guys,
why you marry them? You are dropping your Kirona level. We must get them. Go.
Yeah, to the junction. Let me find my way.
I your friend, I'm up on you.
I will take a car.
Don't worry. Today, one hour. Okay, why are the office?
As if we are, mammy, I idea way.
Can you really like we must get them?
I told you.
My friend, come down, beg you.
Nigeria police as a whole. When I go vision up on me, it's Jane over Yemen. Hi. Why make me? Why make me? Nigeria police, why make me? Oh, my panic, my only brother. Tell me for the constitution where he dead. Say if he fights the crime. If he wear better shot the crime. If he carry drag the crime. If he carry iPhone the crime. Una put bullet my mother head. Kill her. Una kill her. If I get go, I go fuck 20 police. 20, I go 40. But because I want me to go to them, settle. Una go end SARS. Una go end police brutality. Una go end every corruption in Nigeria. Because we don't tire. I for one, I don't tire. I don't cry. My voice don't crack. I don't tire. Make una end every evil in Nigeria. Make una end young lives. People are dying. Police people are causing more harm. People are causing havoc in Nigeria. People should stop. Yes. Stop killing our young men. Yes. If una kill all of them, we don't want to marry. Who want to marry? Your people don't want to marry. Let want to marry. Don't just fire under there. Let want to marry. Stop. My brother will not finish for you. Jerry will not finish for you. Jerry will not finish for you. And the talk will not change it. I will come out. Babe, let's go. Hello, Messi. Vivian was soon. Was soon. Why can protest? And so, or twanga you only wear Jena. I told you well, Bomogujia. Morimi cannot go you bomb here. So I saw for Kiwa to your say, let a baby here. Hold on, go work one. Anyway, tell her, go work one. Look down here, man. A people work be. Hey, Ivan, no, here go me go. I calm down. For no pay. Okay, don't worry. Yeah, go be guys in me go. We worry. We calm down. We calm down.
Bring yourself together. Calm down, one. Yeah, go on.
Now you're not Jerry type. Why you gonna call and say why we go protest? I don't understand.
Okay, calm down. Calm down. When which is true. If Sassiga Quima, Jerry not calling me need this morning, now you give similar. Me why you give me only a ton, they are Jerry. May I say fee? Where Motero Shire Hospital?
You hear yourself. Can you hear yourself? Then your hand Jerry that put. I want to Guguni. And I don't make it Jerry with time. You see, calm the phone that they tell they know what I don't understand. See, make I tell you, you are almost super. You are not there by my protesting now, There's no more relationship. Our fear.
Babe, calm down. If I do protest now, does that make any difference? I'll make any difference here.
I'll make something different. Yes, the government must hear our voice. Now, but brother, that's all. I mean, you don't understand. Wait on, because say you don't reach your body. Now, make I know they pay you.
Baby, calm down.
The only brother when my friend gets, that's all. You don't understand.
Calm down.
And they face when they tell me, say, my calm down.
Calm down. You know my kind of job. I don't feel they call it. I didn't know say they hide myself to go for area. If they be me here, I don't feel they work out for streets now. Go to do protest. You know my job now. You know my job. You know what I do.
God, I don't want to hear. If I want to hear any excuse we work if you now, I understand. He tell me I'm telling you. Who I was so wow. Who am I tell me protesting now? The call him a who I am or what? No more girlfriend, no more boyfriend. Yes.
Just like
yes, so over here. No boyfriend, no girlfriend. Man, go out of woman.
Okay. No, just calm down. I'll talk to my guys. They have to more. So I'll get back to you. Only myself and I ended the relationship with myself.
Oh, I said, you better talk to your friends. Why Baba say where one? You should do the right thing. Oh my good now, that person died so. That person sister, that person brother died so. You know they understand. You know they understand. And the verse.
Do you know who you are? Who you be? I don't care to know who you be. What did I do you? Leave me. Leave me. Yes. You are dragging with me. Why not go drag with you? You want to kill me for corner? Leave me. Leave me. So you armed robber. Who you be? Who you be? I wonder who you be. Sergeant, armed robber. Nemesis has caught with you today. Thieves. That's how you people rob people of their belongings.
But next time, when you David, who come in the Kina, you will understand.
I'm sorry, sir.
So the reason the manner go your way, they will be taking this as evidence.
Yes, sir. That's
so, you know, River Magbira, you guys are trying now, but you still need to try harder. You understand? If things go the way we plan, maybe before the ending of next year, I will recommend you for the post of Chief Inspector. Yeah.
Moi, sir.
Easy.
I went to that laptop. No, I couldn't get that. Why that
we me again. On I'm adi. On I says girl no mama. No papa le le. Abi says again,
You won't believe what we saw.
Hey, matter.
Then my way I bust lever.
Hey!
No what do by here. Well, I'm not sure when you have your back. There were so many. So, in my way, I went straight to that laptop. You want me a laptop in it? Mommy, a code or a Gmail and what you mean?
Morian, when you make our women no matter
email address of the Hena Wow, secret.
I have China made. I have UK pressing. Hey, you what bad when in the laptop. Anyway, you are getting why we are new.
My dear, well, anyway, they paid well anyway.
Epa, when we Nissan Juan, Ebony say, when me whatever, Nana, my lot beg, may they receive my debt.
My dear, calm down now.
I can't know about my question.
You calm down.
Transfer.
Where the boy was okay, Pani.
Okay, so fees a pass, I get transfer. When we win a pass, yeah. Hey, on me, not here, key. Mother, the Gualeme.
Where the one was okay, Pani. A pack, make it, you want my one at the Banya. The first you get is your alert.
No matter. Yes. That's my chair, more, bros. You not chair. Everywhere that chair that Joko.
More jobs, so keep your eyes up.
Everywhere good now. Trust me for this one. Another one. Everywhere go suburb.
Made.
Oh my God. Yo, when no was swam very young.
I get in the bar.
Was swam here.
Imagine no water. I get in the bar.
The girl only here.
Again on Mamuda, Baba.
Me, a girl. Maybe God Bamudia, me ni made, me. Some people may want you may want more.
Imagine Sasuke.
Sir, oh, a girl. Okay, I no about 20. And how many way? One day no about 20, no about 39.
Imagine.
Baby girl, love.
Muzale, we go in now. Imagine. We get got gone. We come on for years. Or now you about 20.
Me.
You got go we got gone. Imagine who is that guy?
Me.
Imagine.
Me. You got go get any go me.
Imagine who is that guy? Imagine. Mona come go now. Speak boy man. Imagine who is that guy?
You share. You just salo boy me ma what ala pe ku you go stay. You go zoki. Anywhere share.
Imagine who is that guy for the last time? Imagine for the very last time, who is that guy?
One guy ni we ma
imagine talk to me, go back one.
No be very young we are the one. Man, what can?
Mona go back one right now. I said, who is that guy? On your guy, your boss me on your bed, or take a friend in Jerry, or Jerry Bomoguchi, your fear. A guy, you want one, here, follow very on who die.
Just, you may what about my cuckoo, you who so you may what about here,
or then I said, my day. Mona Boniva, you are boy, my day. I'll tell you. Walk. And then you are busting man. Oh no, the password to my to a guy. Imagine. So when I give you press information, then you are boss to one. And I the code. Okay, that boy. Okay, a person in the case came. Say me imagine what way. Imagine that no what is a moment. You go away. Everything the boss team and I go. Nessa mo po la bon. Nous rien ko ko de ma ko si e ba ton. Nous rien mo de you ma he na mo do. Mo de ya. Mo de la ri bo are.
enough for a while.
Yes, sir.
They kill our boys, they kill our youth.
Yes, sir.
They need to end this stuff.
Yes, sir.
Police brutality. If we have iPhone, a problem. That's not a problem. And police brutality. iPhone not be gone.
iPhone will be gone. Obaseki must hear this thing.
Yes,
Turn to
right
government,
there.
please, sir.
Yes.
See, at the first,
The follow.
governor will hear this thing. From here to ask for assembly, anything you want to submit, solve.
Yes, sir. What's happening?
iPhone will be gone.
Yes, sir.
They will punish you for banyash.
Yes, sir.
Move, babe.
Onto the app, onto the shell, we there yet.
And police brutality. And police brutality. And police brutality. And police brutality. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. A police here where I see my way. Mareto, on gas in moto number. On gas here no one. On gas we check. I want we win no for ba. I feel I yawa. My babe. The younger brother, the boy lawyer rich. Police call lights out for nothing. What he do? What did the boy do? Every book the police see who from one country. Hey, my people, see. As this way, where my babe? Step forward. As this my babe goes where? My babe will be there. So, the babe up where every day the police will be. So, for that reason, anything police, I might need to have we don't need SARS again. SARS! At the first, oh, my movement.
Why we go first?
The payment man that you have, I will enjoy the friend issue. And police brutality. And police brutality. Enough is enough. Yes, waiting. What did happen? It's not too much. And the best, to soft, you don't turn crack. To soft, to use gold, to use flashing can, you don't turn crack. And the best, when I say, when I use my brain, when I get sense, comment, when I better do something before we must cease.
Stop killing our brothers and police brutality. Say answers. Save the life of innocent people. Ooh, answers. Stop killing our brothers. Stop killing innocent people. Answers. So end police brutality. Oh, answers. Stop killing